Ava, what would you like for pudding? Juice. Would you like some? What would you like? What does that mean? Do you mean chocolate? Chocolate. Here we go. Here's some chocolate. You tell me when you want some more. What do you want? Chocolate? Yeah? You say please? Good girl. You said good girl before I had a chance to say good girl. Oh dear. Hiya. Do you want some juice? Ready? Cheers. Wait till you finish. Cheers. Cheers. What would you like, Ava? Say please. Good girl.